We gotta have a good relationship with self. We gotta have a good relationship with people on the internet. We gotta have a relationship with people in real life. It's just about connecting. And it's like the Aquarius age. You feel me? Age of Aquarius. We're supposed to be coming together right now.
Facts.
That's the energy in the air. Everybody want to be like in the group and like accept it.
I used to be scared to do this shit here.
Boy, it look cold as hell outside.
I used to be scared to do that shit. I be like, even when the water cold, I can like warm my body up to just get on that temperature. Like I can just stand it. That shit don't even cold to me no more. I don't got that much depth to the water.
Boy, your ass
Pop in, salute.
Love.
Solitude, oneness, togetherness, salute.
Yo, what's up,
balance,
brother? Where you calling from?
honor, and respect. What's up, country? I heard a lot of good. I first got put on to you. You was doing a YouTube. Sister put me on to you. She's scared. The one right here, see through the lies. She's scared to do lies. Yeah. She said she not ready yet. This the day that she need to pop out.
Yeah, hell yeah. Where you calling from, my brother?
Upstate New York. You already know, man.
Oh man, New York in the house. I've been like interacting with a lot of New Yorkers lately. Hey, check out this. Oh yeah, I got it right here. This is what I was just wearing today, but shit, I'm from Chicago.
I'm in the mountains though. I'm upstate New York, not New York City. Let's get it. No, I want you to get it misconstrued.
You fuck with that? Hold on.
You made that?
No, I ain't made it, but it says New York down that much.
Yeah, I see you.
On Shorty, hey, but on Shorty though, real shit. I black the New York out and put like contrary, cause I ain't from here.
Where you from, dude?
I'm from Chicago.
Huh?
No, I'm from Chicago.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Chi-town in the house.
You feel me? So that's what we doing. So
yeah. I'm headed down to Texas soon.
We was talking about Texas too.
Real close.
It's something about Texas, man.
Man, y'all may well come on and pull up.
That's my nigga right there, Chosen. That's my brother from another mother.
Motherfucking brother from another goddamn mother.
Hey, it sounds like somebody blowing into their mic.
Man, that's it. I'm outside.
The wind. Yeah,
the wind been blowing crazy today. The wind been blowing like Chicago here.
Bro, the fucking look what they doing. Like, wow, I ain't seen the sun since the day before yesterday. What the fuck?
Man, look, they were covering up for about a couple of days. They tried
I'm trying to connect, man. My shit been sending abundantly. I just got to get my ducks in a row. And that's what I'm doing. I'm just focusing. I got to get these L's before I leave. I don't got to, but I'm going to get them anyway, just cause. I know I don't got to. I already know all of that, but I'm going to just do what I got to do to get to where I need to get to.
Yo, love, peace, love. Where you calling from, my brother?
I'm out here in Houston right now.
That's what I'm talking about, nigga. Texas. Hey, nigga. Hey, everything nigga in Texas. I got shit, man. I can't.
Oh yeah, man. You know, we didn't connect. Me and you done chopped it up plenty of times.
Yeah, you know.
Yeah, me and you chopped it up before.
Well, that's my other guy right there. That's my big brother right there.
Hey, we in this bitch.
What's good, homie?
My brother?
That's why that was me in the when you were speaking, I was saying listen. You know what I'm saying? Because that's what we need to do when somebody's speaking from the heart. We need to just listen. And that's when I that just every time when I hear somebody, coming from the heart, I just think a bad example and he's like, be quiet. You get what I'm saying? Because it's a time to speak and it's a time to listen. You get what I'm saying? And that's all I was just saying, like, bro, he sent me to live. And I was just like, okay, I'm sitting here listening. I like to listen before I just hop in. So, I'm just listening to what you were speaking on.
Man, I appreciate that for real. And bad example, hey man, all some love and all salute, man. I be watching this shit. His shit like when he speak is very powerful and it's very inspirational.
It's no bullshit. Yeah.
Hey,
It is no
Zay,
I want
bullshit.
one like that.
I'm
When
finna
I
jump
get
down.
very
One
powerful,
love,
very inspirational brother, very
one
inspirational
heart.
guy. You get what I'm saying?
Let's
I'm just
One
gonna
love,
get
one love.
love
together
y'all, man.
and feel alright. One life,
I ain't
one
I know it's
heart.
windy and shit. I appreciate you for being here, chosen love. Always, man. Always feel free to hop in, man. But hell yeah though. He said let's get together. Hell yeah though. Shit, how y'all feeling though, man? Y'all got any thing y'all wanted to add to the message? Talking on unity, community, being more social, getting outside, connecting with people
Man,
that
I'm just really listening to what I like what you was saying, because everything that you saying, bro, is everything that I'm saying. Basically, like even like you said, bro, just coming together, talking to one another. You know something that somebody else don't know. That'll bring both of y'all together. So now both of y'all know something. You know what I'm saying? Then everybody keeps building and we building and we building. And it's not nobody tearing nobody down because, oh, you don't know this and you know what I'm saying, you don't know that. It's gonna be
I
all
go in
love.
on the garden shit. I was feeling that garden shit
Yeah,
because
that's called
that's why
being
I'm going down
self-sufficient.
that way. For
You
me,
know what I'm
because with
saying?
the
That,
people in the garden shit, I can't
yeah.
really grow nothing where I'm at per se, like I want to.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I'm saying? I could probably do a little something, but I need to get
Yeah,
with people on a larger
yeah,
scale.
inside. Yeah, because you know you upstate, you probably gotta do yours inside, and that's cool to do hydroponics, and that's what we saying. Like with technology, all of it's not bad. It's just what you utilize it for. So you know what I'm saying. If that's what you wanna, you can. If you live in a colder climate, that's what I would do, and I feel like that's what it was invented for. You get what I'm saying?
yo, hey,
One
Solid
love,
hey,
one
food
hey,
love.
hey,
abundance.
hey, food for thought.
Balance.
Tell me why the moment you joined, we was talking about gardening, my brother. That's just divine. He talk about inside gardening because I was saying like basically I ain't got no land, but I'm trying to be more social and shit. I was saying I want to join a community garden. And he talk about how you know how when it be cold you got to do that shit inside, and like I don't want to do that shit inside. I feel like I ain't got enough space, but this the perfect man to talk to about that
But
gardening
yeah,
shit.
that's why I was saying though. You know what I'm saying?
This
It's
is
only
let me
because
tell you, look
of
at my
your
juice.
environment. You get what I'm saying? You still gotta eat, and you trying to do it in a healthier way, a natural way. So
I'm trying to get
it
out to
ain't
the
really
land, man. I
about,
gotta get
you
out
know
to
what
the
I'm saying,
land.
like the
I ain't gonna
technology
hold
and
you.
shit. Man, that's you still use water. You get what I'm saying? You basically using water, air, and the nutrients that it needs. So I don't really feel like, on that part, that's bad. You know what I'm saying? Talking to Omet, you can grow, you know what I'm saying, your food indoors if you wanted to.
I could, but I don't got. I can't do that in my mama house.
Yeah,
You know
yeah,
what I'm
okay.
saying?
Everything
You know
y'all
what I'm
just
saying?
said is an excuse. No disrespect. I appreciate y'all. You know what I'm saying? But at this point, if you're not doing it, you're not gonna do it. Everybody
Mm-hmm.
can come up with excuses not to do it. But you can do this shit anywhere. You know what I'm saying?
Oh no, but
You can
getting my
build
shit
up.
up though,
You
bro.
can
I got
you
my
can
soil. I'm about to buy some soil.
you can build
I
up.
already got
You
some
can grow
seeds.
any of this shit in a container. You know what I'm saying? So I have a lot of
Yeah, but still,
examples
this ain't
on
my
how to
house to
grow
do
this
all of
shit
that.
in
You gotta
containers and
understand the
all that.
circumstances.
Aloe, corn.
Who you live with? You live by yourself?
Nah,
It ain't,
I
it, ain't-
live
it
with
ain't it
five
ain't
people.
about that because like this how it is. We all got different situations and circumstances, and
I live with
it's a
five
way
people.
to do anything if we want to do it enough. I think that's what I'm
Mm-hmm.
saying.
Yeah,
Like
I
if you
respect
really
that.
want to do anything, you can do it.
Yeah.
Like I said, I don't got no space, but I go to a community garden. I go to somebody else's garden. Teach me how to do this shit. Let's do it together.
All you gotta do is get you a windowsill or anything that or you can even
But
get
they
a
gotta be
grow.
right.
You can get a grow light. You can get a grow light. Hold on, let me show y'all.
I've been seeing like grow kits. Like I want to grow mushrooms. It's like 7 things I grow and I'll be straight. I swear, 7 to 10 things and I'll be straight.
LED grow light. LED grow light. This grow light was like $60 at Home Depot.
Mm-hmm.
Home Depot. This shit is accessible. I mean,
I heard.
if the pandemic ain't prove anything to you and you ain't doing anything about it, like they can control your food, they can starve you. You know what I'm saying? That's what I'm living by right now. Shorty dropped that knowledge on me on my live the other day. She said if they can control your food, they can starve you. You see what I'm saying? So at
Not
this
if you
point,
fasting.
there's not an excuse in the world for me to allow my family to starve.
If they could control your resources,
If
they
your
could control
family, if
you.
your family don't support you growing your own food anywhere accessible to you, then when they start to starve, then that's their fault. You know.
And it's basically just getting out that city mentality, that city mindset.